Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, and of course, it's the Christmas season. And I know many times our families ask us, Mom, what do you want for Christmas? And I'm always like, okay, how do I explain to my family this sewing notion I want and hope they get it right? So this video is to show maybe something to share with your family so that if there's something that I go through today, you're like, that's it, I need one of those things. You can let your family know. So this is some of our favorite sewing notions and things that you might like to receive at Christmas or maybe give at Christmas if you're part of a sewing group, a quilt guild, and you maybe have maybe you're a secret Santa, right? And as always, Shabby Fabrics gift certificates are so popular, right? Who wouldn't love to receive a gift certificate to their favorite online store and showroom, by the way? We're now open to the public. We are just having a blast meeting so many people. Some people have flown in from Florida. We've seen people come in from Ohio. It's been a lot of fun. So we hope to see you later this year or in 2026. So I'll just kind of start here and move this direction, and I'll just kind of highlight what's here. Of course, there's so much more on the website, but these are just some of the things that might be great stocking stuffers or just full-on gifts for yourself or maybe a maker friend. We are seeing that so many people are loving hand embroidery, and cross stitch is on fire right now. And just keeping track of that needle sometimes can be a thing. Well, how fun to have needle keepers, and you put the pretty part on the front of the project, you put your substrate, maybe your cross stitch or whatever you're embroidering on in the middle, and the magnet on the back, and that all sandwiches together, and that needle just snaps right to it when you're not stitching. So I love that. When you find your favorite sewing needle, you definitely want to keep track of that. We have some other kind of embellishments that you can hook onto a zipper. So if you love bags that have really fun zipper pulls, we have a nice assortment of that as well, and these continue to be so very popular. And also, by the way, in the back here we have some beautiful Shabby Fabrics totes, one that we made just for the holiday season as well as the one for our 20th anniversary celebration. How nice not only be able to get a gift from Shabby, but maybe put it in a Shabby Fabrics tote bag. These are lovely for grocery shopping, the gym, toting projects around, and so many things. Just $5, such a great value. We know that a lot of quilters like to stay organized. We take notes or things that are important to us. And I like to have a notebook right by my sewing machine. Maybe I have a certain setting I want to remember on my Bernina or whatever that might be. How nice to have a quilt themed notebook handy here. So this has some really fun projects in here for, it's kind of an adult coloring book. I think people find that very relaxing. There's some nice themes in here. C&T Publishing has come out with these quilt builder block sets. It's kind of a card deck actually, and each of the cards inside the deck has a quilt block, and many times in different sizes. I am loving these. More on that in the coming year. So I'm very much enjoying all the different possibilities, all the different blocks and different block sizes inside these card decks. So I'm really enjoying these from C&T Publishing. Earlier in the year, we introduced our binding holders in all these beautiful glitzy colors. If you're like me, binding is a chore, but if I can make that binding up front and I don't dread doing it in the end, and I get to wrap it around a beautiful glitzy binding holder, maybe that making bindings actually kind of fun and kind of cool. So if you have a friend that has a favorite color, or maybe you have your favorite color and can share that with your friends and family, these would be a great stocking stuffer. Speaking of friends here and trying to find that perfect color, we have these rulers. They're creative grid rulers, 2.5 by 6.5, created just for Shabby Fabrics. Creative Grid had already created a 2.5 by 6 ruler, but I said, you know, I really want the 6.5 because sometimes we want something to finish at a 2 by 6, meaning we need a 2.5 by 6.5 inch ruler. And they partner with us to create these rulers in a rainbow of colors. We have so many beautiful ones here, and they say, I love my quilting friends. So again, if you know a friend, their favorite color, this would be a wonderful gift. to slip into their stocking, and how useful, right? We can all use another ruler. These are some of our favorite sewing notions, and that's what we use to make our choir of angels here. These are our Birthstone angels. We introduced those a little bit earlier in the year, and I definitely want to press into these today. We're hearing feedback from customers about just how personal the Birthstone angels are. Each one has a special box, with each one having a curated special message to talk about the birthstone associated with that month and what the characteristics and personality traits are of a person born under that birthstone. And inside, it has a beautiful glittery paper with a gold seal. When you open it up, it feels like a gift. Is inside everything you need to be able to make the Birthstone angel, including all of the high-grade walnut shells, the beautiful birthstones, and all of the exact fabrics you're seeing, specifically curated here at Shabby Fabrics. You can either give the kit to a maker friend so they can make that themselves, or you make the angel, still put it inside the beautiful box along with a heartfelt message and give it. So whether you're a maker and you want to give it completed, or giving it to a maker friend and let them make it, it's a gift however you decide to do that. And these are just some of the notions that we recommend you using. We've already done a tutorial on how to make the pincushion angel, so be sure to check that out if you're curious. Over here, we love having our guides, right? Helping us find all of those quilt blocks each day. This is what we love to do every day of the year, and this is our kind of our perpetual calendar. We can flip that and there's a new block, maybe a focus on some patchwork. And there's some other goodies here, including even a cookie cutter. How cute is that? As we move over to our Christmas tree, how darling is that, by the way? To just be able to display all of our darling sewing notions on the Christmas tree. Some of the things here that I'm seeing that are catching my eye that I really love happen to be some of our quilt labels. So if you are going to be making something special for someone and you want to just kind of put that tag maybe right on the back where the binding and the backing meet, maybe with a personalized message, I'm really loving the quilt labels. We also have things like the floss drops. So again, if you're going to be doing some hand embroidery or cross stitch, you want to keep track of that and you want to have that inside the floss drops. These are great. And there's all kinds of other sewing notions as well. We'll just be sure we're kind of panning over the Christmas tree. And as I said, if you're like, you know, I don't know if I know what my maker friend would want, a Shabby Fabrics gift certificate is always a great idea. And I see this here right in front of me. Staying hydrated, that's one of my goals for the new year, because sometimes I literally forget. But if the bottle's that much cuter, I'm more likely to have a drink. So I wanted to be sure to add that as a possibility for a great gift. So we all know as the Christmas season is upon us, we want to get that perfect gift, or be able to give that perfect gift. So here's a lovely selection and so much more on the website. If you have not already done that, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and by hitting the bell, that way when we have new videos, you'll be the first to know. If you've not already signed up for the newsletter and for text, head to the Shabby Fabrics website, click on subscribe. There you'll be able to put in your email address or text. That way you'll be the first to know about new Block of the Month clubs. There's so much coming your way for 2026. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.